Welcome to another episode of InRange. I've got something actually fun here today. You know, and I think we forget frequently in our endeavors with the shooting sports and other things that sometimes shooting should and can just be fun. It doesn't have to be about self-defense or competition or tactical. It can be just something that you enjoy. And frankly, that helps you with your skill building as well. It also brings new shooters into the sports. And what I've got here today is something that I think is just straight up legitimately fun. This is the Desert Tech Trek22 rifle. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you may know already, or maybe already aware, that Desert Tech released a chassis, which was just the plastic shell with some parts, where you could convert any existing Ruger 1022 into this bullpup configuration. But they have now released this in a full rifle form where you can just buy it ready to go and go shoot it. These are coming in right now at $799.99, and they come in multiple colors: gray, green, tan, and black. 18-inch barrel, really nice 3.5 pound trigger, and for a bullpup, this is nice and crisp and breaks well. 1/2 by 28 thread, which is why you see I've thrown this really old school Mac 11 suppressor on there. It's got Picatinny rail on top, M-lock on the side. You could put a bipod on it if you wanted to. And the whole thing comes in at a whopping 4.8 pounds. It's kind of a little perfect fun carry around in the field, plink, shoot some cans, maybe do some small game hunting if that's your bag. And it's so convenient and small and lightweight, and even more so than regular Ruger 1022 would be because it's now a bullpup, that I think it's just a real treat of a rifle, to be honest with you. There are slots on the side here that take two 10-round Ruger mags, and then of course it takes standard Ruger mags. So any 1022 mag will fit in this. You can have the long banana doodle, or you could just use these 10-round rotary mags. I think the 10-round ones work for this beautifully though, because you keep 2 in the stock and 1 in the gun. You got 30 rounds on you of 22, and it's just a literal treat to shoot. Now, I printed with ABS a little mount here for this old HoloSun 503C red dot. I threw it on here, and this is the same HoloSun that I was using in the 2017 What Would Stoner Do project. That little guy is still running and working great. And this 3D printed mount, just to make it light and convenient for this gun. Doesn't match the color, but that was the color I had in ABS. And here we are with this fun little guy to shoot. So my configuration's a little longer because I threw this wildly oversized can on here. Obviously the gun will be about this long. And it comes with a thread protector. You've got your M-lock rails, you got your Picatinny. I threw a red dot on it. You might want to throw a little magnified 22 optic on it. I don't know. Nice flat trigger. Like I said, a good crisp 3.5 pound break. Standard Ruger 1022 style functionality. Mag release for your 1022 mags. I have found this to work with all 1082 long rifle ammunition I put in it. Standard velocity, high velocity, it's all worked well. Calibris, of course, don't because they're underpowered, but regular standard 22 LR works fine. High velocity works fine. Storage for 2 extra magazines. It's got a little QD socket there if you want to have a sling for carrying in the field. And it's really super comfortable. Might look a little weird. I think it looks cool, frankly. But this thing is a treat. Let's go plink. All right, I've got a can on here, but I still got hearing protection in because these are supersonic, and that's still not good for your hearing. Got some fun little 22 LR spinner targets out here, little floopy doopy things. And a couple mags, and let's just do what this is designed to do and have some fun. And you know what? That is fun. Let's reload, do that again. So you just take it out of stock, stick it in there. Other mags in my pocket. We're good to go for more. It's just fun, and sometimes that's what it needs to be. I had a great time with this little guy, and I want to thank Desert Tech for getting this out to me. These things were just recently released, And Desert Tech's been a good friend to InRange TV, and they've supplied this free of charge, so you should be aware of that. But I always give fair and honest reviews, even to Desert Tech, and this has been a very reliable, fun little guy. So if you're looking for something fun, something to take out in the field and just enjoy yourself with, I can't recommend the Trek22 rifle more highly enough. It's a good time. Now that said, the ammunition and time and ability to run this channel is because of viewers like you. So this is a completely demonetized channel. Sometimes people send us stuff and I disclose it every time, but we make no money from YouTube, no ad money, no masters, no gods, no overlords, just you, the viewer, keeping InRange alive now for 10 years. So if you already are doing that, thank you so much for being part of the community that's keeping this channel alive and being part of the community. If you could consider it and aren't already, every dollar counts to keep this alternative voice alive. We struggle against the algorithm and other things. So if you have $1 or $5 or whatever you can do, patreon.com/InRangeTV. It really matters. Get access to our Discord server and our now private, for Patreons only, quarterly Ask Me Anything Q&As. If you're interested in that, please consider supporting us. If you can't, I do understand. To subscribe to the channel, hit the bell. You may not get a notification. We get shadow banned a lot. Subscribe to our newsletter. I've got a link in the description below. And hey, you know what? Share with your friends. Thanks for watching.